Where do animals live? Animals are found everywhere. They can be seen in plains, plateaus, deserts, water, etc. They live in surroundings which suit them and from where they can fulfill their basic needs like food, water, shelter, and protection. Animals that live on land. A large number of animals live on land. Such animals are called terrestrial animals. Few of them make their homes and others find natural homes and live within them. An ant makes an anthill. Honeybees make beehive on trees or old buildings. Cows and buffaloes live in sheds. Horses are kept in stables. Rabbits live in burrows. A snake lives in a hole called pit. Lion lives in caves called dens. Elephants live under the shade of big trees, mostly close to source of water. Desert animals live underground and prefer to come out at night. For example, scorpion, kangaroo, rat, and desert fox. Animals like owls, bat, cockroaches, etc. also come out during night. Such animals are called nocturnal animals. Animals like monkeys, chimpanzees, and squirrels spend most of their time on trees. Such animals are called arboreal animals. Know more. Few animals like lizards, small mammals, etc. take a long sleep during cold winter months. This is called hibernation. Animals that live in water. About 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Many animals live in water like fish, whales, dolphins, crabs, octopus, lobsters, etc. Such animals are called aquatic animals. Aquatic animals take food and oxygen from water only. Some fish live in fresh water and few in salt water. They breathe in oxygen dissolved in water through the gills. Dolphins and whales do not have gills. They come out of water to breathe. Sea urchin and crab live in caves in water, and hermit crab lives in the discarded shells of other animals. Animals that live on the seashore. Seashore is a place where the land meets the sea. Many seashells can be seen on the seashore. These shells serve as a house to many sea animals. Animals that can generally be seen near the seashore are hermit crab, sea anemone, and mussels. Animals that live on both land and water. There are few animals that live on land and in water both. Such animals are called amphibians. Frog, toad, and salamander are commonly known as amphibians. When they are on land, they use their lungs to breathe, and when they are in water, they use their skin to breathe. Some reptiles also live in water. Reptiles like crocodiles and alligators breathe through their nostrils, so they keep their head above the water while swimming. Animals that can fly. Bats are mammals that can fly. They do not have feathers. They have leathery wings to fly. They can be seen hanging upside down from trees, wires, and buildings. They have skin attached and stretched between their toes. This helps them to hang upside down. Spider's web. A spider has 8 legs, but it is not an insect. It spins the web to trap its prey. It produces a liquid from its body which becomes hard on drying. Insects get trapped in the web and are eaten by the spider as food. No more. Spider's web can be used to make fishing baits, nets, bandages, etc. Points to remember. Animals live in places which suit them and from where they can fulfill their basic needs. Ant, snake, camel, etc. live on land. Animals that come out at night are called nocturnal animals. Animals that spend most of their time on trees are called arboreal animals. Fish, dolphin, crab, etc. live in water. Seashore is a place where land meets the sea. Amphibians are the animals that live both on land and water. Bats are mammals that can fly.